In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad and Threads. We're going to build a clean, shareable page on Gumroad that you can easily promote on Threads or anywhere else. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to make your page look polished and professional. Start by heading to your Gumroad dashboard in your browser. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner for the small profile icon. Click that to open your account options. From there, click Profile. This takes you to your public storefront view, which is the foundation for anything you want customers or followers to see. On your profile view, find the three dots menu. Think of this as the More Options button for building out your storefront. Click it, then choose Pages. Pages let you create focused destinations like a simple landing page for a product bundle, a newsletter sign-up hub, or a curated list of your best posts. Next, click New Page. You'll be prompted to name it. Choose a clear, specific title that tells visitors what they'll find, something descriptive and easy to understand. Keeping the name short and memorable will also make it easier to share and recognize when you post it on social platforms. With your page created, click the plus sign to add content. This opens up the building blocks that make your page useful and engaging. Products will showcase items you're selling, perfect if you want a neat grid of your top offers. Posts can highlight updates, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes notes to add context and personality. Featured product is ideal when you want to drive attention to a single item. Great for launches, limited time offers, or your best seller. Rich text lets you write compelling introductions, include headers, and format key details so visitors know exactly what to do next. Subscribe adds a simple way for people to join your email list, which is invaluable for staying in touch and announcing new drops. Wish lists help visitors save what they like and come back later, increasing the chance they'll convert when they're ready. As you add sections, keep the flow simple. A short intro at the top, a featured product or key products next, then supporting posts or text, and finally a subscribe prompt. Use consistent visuals and straightforward copy so the page is easy to skim. When your page looks the way you want, copy its link and share it on Threads with a concise caption and a clear call to action. That's it. Your Gumroad page is ready to go and easy to promote anywhere.